Did you know that nearly 2.2 billion people worldwide suffer from vision impairment? Yet experts say many of these cases are preventable? The key may not always lie in expensive treatments, but in natural herbs with proven protective power. Today, we'll uncover the 7 best ones for your eyes. The eyes are among the most delicate organs in the human body, and protecting them has never been more important. Every day, our vision faces new challenges, from the glare of digital screens to natural aging. Conditions such as macular degeneration, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy affect millions of older adults worldwide. While modern medicine offers treatments, many people want natural ways to protect their vision before serious problems arise. Fortunately, science is beginning to validate what traditional healers have known for centuries. Certain herbs have remarkable protective effects on the eyes. Research from prestigious institutions across the globe has identified a handful of herbs that don't just support general wellness, but specifically target the mechanisms that keep our eyes healthy. In this video, we'll explore 7 of the most promising herbs. These are not myths or old wives' tales. They are backed by real, peer-reviewed science. Hi, this is Marcus from Human Body Wellness, where we are dedicated to providing you with informative and educational content on healthy foods, drinks, and eating habits. If you're passionate about taking care of your body naturally, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's 7 powerful herbs for eye health, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. And please, share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing your stories and experiences. The human eye is more advanced than the finest camera lens, with over 2 million working parts. This complexity allows us to see detailed depth and vibrant color, but it also makes the eye highly vulnerable. Each day, our eyes battle oxidative stress from sunlight, blue light from screens, and exposure to pollution. Over time, this stress damages delicate retinal cells, setting the stage for vision loss. Add in inflammation, poor circulation, and the natural effects of aging, and the risks grow even greater. That's why researchers are focusing on natural compounds that fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. Herbs rich in these compounds may help defend our eyes and keep them functioning well into older age. Herb number 1, Ginkgo biloba. Known as the living fossil tree, Ginkgo biloba has been used in Chinese medicine for thousands of years. Modern science confirms that ginkgo can improve blood flow, particularly to the tiny vessels that nourish the retina and optic nerve. For people with glaucoma, where pressure and poor circulation damage vision, this is vital. Studies from Johns Hopkins and European universities show that glaucoma patients taking ginkgo extract experienced measurable improvements in visual field tests. Ginkgo is also loaded with antioxidants, which shield the eyes from oxidative stress, a root cause of macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. A typical daily dose is 120 to 240 milligrams of standardized extract. With consistent use, ginkgo may help protect vision where blood flow and oxidative damage are concerns. Herb number 2, bilberry. Bilberry, the dark purple cousin of the blueberry, has long been associated with sharper vision. Legends say British pilots ate bilberry jam during World War II to improve night vision. While the story is debated, science has proven bilberry's benefits. Its secret lies in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect retinal cells from damage. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging showed that bilberry extract improved visual function in people with glaucoma by reducing retinal inflammation. Other studies suggest bilberry supports night vision by protecting rod cells, the part of the retina that senses light in the dark. Most supplements provide 80 to 160 milligrams of anthocyanins daily. Taken regularly, bilberry can help shield against retinal damage and keep vision sharp. Herb number 3, green tea. Green tea is well known for heart health and longevity, but it also protects the eyes. Its catechins, especially EGCG, are powerful antioxidants. Studies in Hong Kong and Japan found that these compounds actually reach the tissues of the eye, including the retina and lens, where they neutralize harmful free radicals. This helps guard against cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration. Animal studies published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that green tea extracts protected retinal cells from oxidative stress. Human studies suggest regular green tea drinkers have a lower risk of cataracts and vision decline. 2 to 3 cups daily, or a standardized extract with 250 to 500 milligrams of catechins, is enough to offer protection. Green tea also improves blood vessel health, further supporting clear vision. Herb number 4, Eyebright. Eyebright is a small flowering herb with a name that tells its story. For centuries, European herbalists used it to soothe tired, irritated eyes. Modern science shows Eyebright contains flavonoids and tannins with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help calm swelling in eye tissues, making Eyebright useful for allergy-related issues like redness, itching, and watery eyes. Some studies using Eyebright extracts in eye drops found they reduced symptoms of conjunctivitis and irritation without the harsh effects of chemicals. It may not cure major eye diseases, but Eyebright is excellent for overall comfort. Whether taken as tea, supplement, or in specialized drops, it offers gentle, natural support for clearer, calmer eyes. Herb number 5, turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice, is celebrated worldwide for its healing powers. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories. In the eyes, one of the greatest threats is abnormal blood vessel growth in the retina, a problem in macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Research from the University of California and Italian medical centers shows that curcumin can help regulate this growth, protecting delicate tissues. Curcumin also reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to cataracts and glaucoma. Clinical trials suggest curcumin may improve vision outcomes in people with chronic eye conditions. Because curcumin is poorly absorbed, supplements often include black pepper extract to boost absorption. Effective doses are usually 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. Herb number 6, grapeseed extract. Grapeseed extract is packed with proanthocyanidins, some of the most powerful antioxidants in nature. These compounds protect blood vessels, including the tiny capillaries that feed the retina. Research from France and Japan shows grapeseed extract strengthens capillaries and improves microcirculation, which is essential for healthy retinal function. This makes it especially valuable for those with diabetic retinopathy or early macular degeneration. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlight grapeseed's neuroprotective effects, showing it shields retinal nerve cells from oxidative stress. This may also help prevent vision loss in glaucoma. Most supplements range from 100 to 300 milligrams daily. With steady use, grapeseed extract helps keep the eye's delicate blood vessels strong and resilient. Herb number 7, fennel. Fennel, a fragrant herb from the Mediterranean, has been linked with vision support since ancient times. Traditional healers even called fennel seeds the eyes of the plant. Science confirms fennel is rich in vitamins A and C, both vital for eye health. Vitamin A helps produce rhodopsin, the pigment that lets us see in dim light. This makes fennel especially supportive of night vision. Animal studies also suggest fennel extracts may reduce eye strain and slow the development of cataracts by fighting oxidative stress. Enjoyed as tea, spice, or chewed seeds, fennel is a gentle but effective ally for daily eye support. Safety considerations. Natural herbs are powerful, but they must be used wisely. Quality matters. Always choose supplements from reputable brands with standardized extracts. Be mindful of interactions. Ginkgo, turmeric, and grapeseed can interfere with blood thinners. Fennel may not be suitable for people with certain hormonal conditions. Stick to safe doses. More is not better. Excess use can cause harm. Consult your doctor, especially if you have diabetes, heart disease, or are managing glaucoma. When taken with care and consistency, these herbs can safely support long-term eye health. Your eyes are your window to the world. Protecting them is one of the best investments you can make in healthy aging. The 7 herbs we explored today: Ginkgo Biloba, Bilberry, green tea, Eyebright, turmeric, grapeseed extract, and fennel all bring unique science-backed benefits. Together, they may help defend against oxidative stress, inflammation, and circulation problems that threaten our vision. But remember, eye protection is not about quick fixes. It's about small, consistent steps. Herbs work best when paired with a holistic lifestyle, eating a nutrient-rich diet, protecting your eyes from UV and blue light, staying active, and having regular eye checkups. Start today with even one of these natural allies. Over time, these small choices can preserve your vision and keep your world clear and beautiful for years to come.